All right.
All right.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank Be Chopping, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're actually gonna be taking a look at the I Love. Hey, are you trying to say what I'm saying?
Talking.
Okay. We're actually gonna be taking a look at the I Love Being a Barber Spray and Slay Airbrush.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So first off, let's go ahead and unbox this. I did open this up. I've been using it in the shop for about a week or so, but I'm gonna unbox it here on camera for y'all, and then I'm gonna play some clips for y'all, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. So check it out. This is the box, as y'all can see. I Love Being a Barber Cordless Airbrush, 20 to 25 PSIs. Wireless charging, so as y'all can see, it does say that it comes with a charging base. The Spray and Slay. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so like I said, guys, I have used this already. I've already opened it, but I'm just gonna show y'all what it comes with. So it does come with a USB charging cable, as y'all can see. It doesn't come with the actual brick, but most of us already have a brick for this, as y'all can see the little USB cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. It also comes with the charging base, and then you just plug the USB into this side of the charging dock. Go do this. And then you plug this into the brick, and then you can just set the air compressor in here and let it charge. But let's put that to the side for a minute. We also have two different liquid cups. We have a smaller one and a large one. As y'all can see, I've been using the smaller one, so we go ahead and take that one out. And as y'all can see, it's a little dirty. Your boy has been putting it to use at the shop. Put that to the side. And this is what we came for right here. This is probably why y'all clicked on the video. The I Love Being a Barber Spray and Slay. It's a little dirty, like I said, been using it. But check it out, that is the gun. Let me go ahead and put the nozzle on, or let me go ahead and put the liquid cup on here. And to be honest with y'all, the liquid cup did come with a top, but I left the top at the shop. And honestly, I never even used this with the top on it. I took the top off and I just fill it up and just turn it on and just go, you know, without the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and read a little bit of the back of the box for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it basically just shows you what it comes with. The liquid cup, the nozzle, the mist button, on and off switch, charging base. Before I actually play y'all some clips of me using this gun, I did want to talk about, I don't know if y'all can really see the back due to the lighting and the way everything's situated, but it says it takes about 8 hours for the airbrush to get fully charged. And that's a long time, right? But the good thing about it is, like I said, guys, they do come with a charging dock. So you can just place this on there when you're not using it, plug it in, and it'll charge up while you're not using it, charge up overnight. And honestly, I haven't had an issue with this thing dying yet. But before I actually get into talking about what I think about this, the pros and the cons, let's go ahead and get into some clips of me using this gun. Let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so check it out once again. This is the I Love Being a Barber Spray and Slay airbrush gun. And when I first used it, like literally the first haircut that I used it on, sprayed out really good. I had no issue with it spraying. It actually sprayed out more than I was used to because I've been using some older compressors and some older guns. So it sprayed out a lot more than I was used to. And it took me a little bit to get used to it, but it has been working really good ever since then. There was one time that I used it that for whatever reason, the pressure, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's just me not using it right, me not cleaning it right or messing with the gun or whatever. But when I was trying to spray, the fluid really wasn't coming out. And I don't know if that's because maybe I didn't clean it properly before, or mind y'all, I have been using the no drip from 245, so I don't know if this gun is specifically meant to take the I Love Being a Barber enhancement, but there was a couple haircuts that I used it that it just didn't want to spray. And like I said, that may be just my gun, it may be me not loading it right, me not doing something properly, because more times than not, it worked perfect, sprayed really good, didn't have an issue with it spraying. Like I said, I haven't really had an issue with this thing dying because it comes with a charging dock, so I can just place it on my charging dock, leave it on my station charging while I'm doing anything else. I did try using one other enhancement in this gun. I don't remember what the name was of that enhancement, but it just didn't shoot out the gun properly. I know no drip from 245 worked really good. I did not happen to get the I Love Being a Barber enhancement, so I can't tell y'all how that enhancement actually worked in this gun. But overall, guys, I would say it's a pretty good cop. I believe this gun is going for about 115 bucks, give or take. And if the price is wrong, I'll go ahead and put the price right here, or wherever. I'm gonna put the actual price somewhere on the screen so y'all can see how much this gun actually is. And honestly, guys, I really wanted to try this gun because I was really fascinated on the way it looked, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a different style gun. It's not your traditional style airbrush gun. So I seen it and I was like, you know what, let me cop this, let me give it a try. And so far, so good. Now, it is still a new gun. I've only had it for about a week or so, so obviously the gun should work good, you know, fresh out the box, right? So the real test to this is, let's see how long this lasts without it getting super clogged, because I don't see a way that you can take out the needle. I don't see a way that, I mean, you can unscrew the front, right? But I don't know how to get, I wouldn't know how to get that out. I guess if I use pliers or something, I can get that out. But I know with other guns, you have to take off the nozzle, take off the back and get the needle out, clean the needle. So we're gonna see how long this actually lasts with us not cleaning it that way. I have been running some 245 air gun compressor cleaner on here, but we're just gonna see what it does. We're gonna see if it's gonna last for the long haul or not. But like I said, guys, my opinion, I would say this is a cop as of right now. I really like this gun. It's something different. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light either. It does have some weight to it. And I do like heavier tools. So for me, I think it's a go. And that's basically all I got to say about this, guys. Like I said, if y'all want to go ahead and cop this, you can go to the website, ilovebeinabarber.com. You can check it out. They have a bunch of other stuff on their website. I know they have some shaving solution. They have a couple enhancements. They have the hair fibers. So you can check out their website, see what else they got. But yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.